issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central McLean County in central Illinois until 3:30 p.m. At 2:45 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lexington to near McLean, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Bloomington, Normal, Lexington, Downs, and Towanda around 2:50 p.m. Colfax around 3 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Saybrook. This includes the following highways: Interstate 39 between mile markers 0 and 5. Interstate 55 between mile markers 151 and 178. Interstate 74 between mile markers 126 and 144. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 643, effective until 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Ford, Iroquois, Livingston, McLean and Vermilion, and Benton, Indiana. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.